Good morning, my dear students. Today we start to going chapter 2, applications of internet. In previous class, we are studying about the internet. Now, applications of internet. Application that means a field where the internet can be used. Nowadays, we have not a single part or the area we find there is no internet. You see, all the fields, every field in our daily life, we see that all of the fields are covered through the internet. There are too many areas, or we can say that the facility that we have working within internet. Application of internet is most of the usage in a different part or the region. As we see that there are the area where we using the internet. There are the searching for the entertainment, for the video conferencing through the emails or the database. There are different parts where we use the internet. Then using of internet is a very easy method or easy way to communicate each other. While we know that how it can be work. When we work with the internet, we have an internet explorer. Then Windows Explorer is given us the facility that we can find everything with a search engine. A search engine, as a simple name, search. An engine is just like a working process, how it can be searched. We have most of the search engine, Yahoo, Chrome, Bing, Arts. As we know that there are different kind of a search engine, and how it can be searched, it is very easy. What we want to search, we can find everything through the different kind of a search engine. So, moving on, we have to move on the searching. People also be using the internet. We can find everything. Even people also can be find in through the internet. We have to just go there, and we know that every kind of information we have to just type, and we can find their even not only the person, their locations also. Then move on communication. While using the internet, communication field is the most essential fields that we have. Communication without interact each other. Like email, we can sending messages through email, and email is the better facility to sending most of the things or most of the information using internet. Then email, and what are the advantages and disadvantages, or how to create email or email ID, you know very well. So move on. We have to also use them there. Most of the facility that we have in email. We can also store our email with their different folders. We can also attach different links within emails. So email are the most communication fields, we can say that. Then how it can be done within most of the things that we have in emails. Then move on. Again, communication facility that we have to use message through the net. Instant messaging. There are too many apps that we have. Different kind of messages app. We can send and receiving messages. Chat room also be there. When you have a 4 or 5 or group of your colleagues or friends, you have to create your chat room, and you can chat with a different kind of a topics or a different kind of a debate that you have. Similarly, video conferencing also be there. Video conferencing, that means you can also attend meeting or arrange meetings through the video conferencing, the facility that they have. Then move on the social networking side. Again, it also can be very common things that we have. Twitter. Do you know what is the Twitter? That means Twitter, that means if you want to do, if you want to ask or send a message through your account, you can also tweet. Facebook, you very well know that what is the Facebook and what is the facility. It has to be e-groups, blogs. There are the some most interact between the peoples while using the internet. News group also be there. Then so we can also facilitate or facility for the search for the education, research. If you want to do any kind of a field for your study, you can also research about the particular college or a topic or any kind of a subject or any kind of a fields that related to the education. You can also use e-learning, teaching through the net, like that. We are also create of the online classes video for you, and you can view your video at your home. With the facility of internet, we can also shop by the online or e-shopping. We can say that e-banking. So as I mentioned earlier, not even a single field there is no internet. Nowadays every field or every kind of a area we find an internet, and all the things are done through the using the internet without interact each other. Then internet also can be used in banking sectors. There are too many fields that we have for the banking, reservations fields in the bus or a train or an airplane or the everywhere. E-governance also be used. Government facility also we can be uploaded to the internet. E-health also be like that. Then entertainment. Nowadays internet use most of the area that we can make our work in the different manner. As the entertainment. In the field of entertainment, there are too many things that we have. Cellular communication that while using the mobile. When we use the mobile, in the early time mobile also have a facility that we can send message, SMS. Do you know SMS? Short message service. If you want to give some messages to each other, you have to type simple kind of a message and can through to the SMS. Then came to the MMS. MMS means multimedia messaging. If you have short videos, short voice note, you also can create to your mobile or send to each other. So later on is going to be changes by their generation of the mobile. Mobile technology also going to be categorized in the different generation. Most of the generation is starting from the first generation. G stands for the generation. Generation that means the speed or the working process of the internet or the mobile facility that. Then 2G, 3G, and nowadays we are moving on the 5G. So a part of the internet we find most of the facility that we have. So I think that is we all through the internet. What kind of application that we have in our internet, and the common things that we have used nowadays is these are the not of the entertainment. It also belonging our studies or the facility that the government provide for the health, also the facility for the common people. So area application all the area of the internet where we can find most of the possibility to do our different difficult work in the easy process. For the that is we are the chapter applications of internet, and the same process we have to done our exercise and the same pattern in the next class. Thank you.